So a question that people ask about Platform Protect is, how is it different to a ServiceNow HealthScan? There's a number of reasons why it is different. First of all, Platform Protect isn't just a scan. It's not just an assessment. It has three distinct phases. There is an assessment phase where we will utilize not only the ServiceNow Security Center to perform a scan to understand your instance hardening position and your security posture. We also do a full instance scan where we load in over 300 additional checks beyond the out-of-the-box that you get with the instance scan. We go beyond that then with manual checks and set up around data privacy, and we look into licensing. So we look into the subscription management dashboard, make sure it's configured properly, and then give you assistance with a process to ensure that going forward, you keep your licensing in check and accurate. So we go well beyond what the HealthScan does, where the HealthScan provides you a report of here are some non-compliant items. We do all of that, but we go far wider than that. We also then provide to you information detailing the risk of the issues that are identified by the Platform Protect assessment, and we provide you with an estimate to remediate these items. So we give you that next step, which is to say, hey, here are the top priority items that's been detected in your platform. We should remediate these. Here is an estimate of time to remediate. And we then offer that service of remediating those items in a time-boxed manner. And it's an area that we're familiar with and we sort of focus in. So while your general administrators might not be familiar with how to deprecate 3DES encryption on the platform or getting rid of the glide encryptor, these are things that we're familiar with, and so we can remediate them quickly for you. Finally, again, going beyond what HealthScan does, we provide you with an ongoing maintenance service. The security and data privacy and health of your ServiceNow environment isn't a one-shot thing where you just look at it now, do some remediation, then leave it alone and you're fine. No, it's not. Unfortunately, it's something which you need to be continuously monitoring and remediating as over time issues develop which need to be addressed. So we provide that service on a monthly basis. We will go in and monitor some aspects of your ServiceNow environment, provide some alerting, ensure that the ServiceNow Security Center application is up to date, and just keep you aware of what is going in and bring to your attention anything we see which we feel might be of concern to you. So that's how the Platform Protect service goes well beyond the HealthScan that you get from ServiceNow.